What up, YouTube? It's your boy Cartel here. We're going to talk about YouTube monetization. We're going to talk about Dontaylondon, and we're going to talk about Doughdash. All right, let's get straight into it. Content creation is the #1 thing you should take away from this video. Okay, creating content on a day-to-day basis is your best bet. I don't care who you are. I don't care how old you are. I don't care if you're a guy. I don't care if you're a girl. I don't care if you're a teenager. I don't care if you're broke. I don't care if you got money. YouTube is for you. Okay, you got to make videos on it every single day, and by doing that, you're all going to get compensated very, very well. Okay, YouTube will monetize you super fast. Okay, super fast if you make consistent videos every single day. Okay, there's two people I mentioned. Okay, Dontaylondon and Doughdash. These two individuals you need to look at these individuals' channels. Okay, look at their channels. These are normal people, a guy and a girl who was super low on subscribers, and they blew up. Okay, they blew up by making good content and great videos. Okay, so I don't know how this video found you, but this is the video for you. I want to inspire you and motivate you to make videos every single day. Okay, again, you need to check them out. Again, I'm gonna say the names: Dontaylondon and Doughdash. Okay, Dontaylondon has definitely reviewed and talked about his success on YouTube, what works for him. He wants to help you. Okay, he wants to help you grow. Okay, so check him out, Dontaylondon. The second person I talked about was Doughdash. Okay, if you don't know who Doughdash is a young lady about 42 years old who, again, she inspires you to make videos as well. Okay, motivates you to make content on a day-to-day basis, just like I'm telling you. Okay, now, again, do they have a niche? That's up to you to decide. Okay, some people say they did this, some people say they did that, but what I'm saying, and when I talk about them both, they don't know each other. Okay, as far as I'm concerned, they're not connected in any type of way. I'm bringing them to your attention to let you guys know that there's a way to make money how you want to make money. Okay, creating content. What they're both doing, and what I both see from both of them, is they're making videos every day. Their videos is about 20 to 30 minutes long. Okay, Doughdash makes smaller videos, but Dontay is making videos that's fairly long, 25, 30 minutes, 35 minutes. And I mean, Doughdash made a 40-minute video yesterday as well, and I'm watching their content, and I want to help you guys just as a whole. Okay, beginners, newbies, all that. Okay, YouTube will monetize you by doing exactly what they're doing. Okay, making videos every day, trying to talk about people's finances, job-wise, money-wise. These are the things and topics. YouTube, these are the things and topics that are going to help you grow your channel. Okay, you want to get monetized super fast? Do what they're doing. Do what I'm doing. Okay, I'm making videos every day, consistently, getting better every day. Okay, these videos are going to help you in your future. Okay, think of this as a big time investment, a huge investment on your YouTube career, on your YouTube channel, right? This strategy will help you grow your community super big. It will help you grow your channel to whatever number you think you want. Okay, and probably bigger, because that's how YouTube, that's how it operates, right? It gets bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. You just got to put that work in. You got to put the content out there. Make the best videos you can over and over and over and over again. Okay, content creation can be done by anybody. Okay, there's a way to make tons of money. Okay, the two people I just mentioned, they're making thousands of dollars. Don't take my word for it. Go to their channel, Dontaylondon and Doughdash. Okay, go to their channel, check them out. I promise you, they're going to show you how they've been doing it, how they've been making thousands of dollars. Okay, how I run my videos and my channels. Okay, these strategies can help you out. Okay, you want to start your channel running. Okay, making the best videos possible. And how do you do that? creating content on a day-to-day basis, making your best videos you can. Okay, try to get the best lighting that you can. Do what you gotta do to make the best videos you can possibly make. Okay, you gotta think this, in about 10 years time, you're gonna have just a backlog of all this content and videos that's gonna be paying you tons and tons of money. Take advantage of that. Okay, take advantage of this opportunity. YouTube is on easy mode. YouTube is on easy mode. That's what they keep saying. And it is. Just record. Just document what you do every day. Get better at it. Mentally, you're going to get really good at it. Your videos, they're going to look better, sound better, be better. It's up to you to make the best content possible. Okay? Do your research first. After you do your research, post like crazy. Just post content left and right every single day. That's my advice to you. Every single day, you gotta post. Make the best videos, okay? Try different backgrounds, different sceneries, okay? You do what you gotta do to get the job done. Look at your numbers. YouTube Studio is your best friend, just like your bank account. YouTube Studio. Keep it going. Make and focus all on videos. Nothing about shorts. Focus all on the videos, okay? Learn from the videos. The vertical lives as well, okay? But most importantly, the videos. Those are like wine. They get better by age, okay? They get better by age. I first started I started watching Doughdash, right? I came across her, and after a while, she had a lot of haters. Right? A lot of people was not feeling Doughdash. Okay, and then after a while, I came across Dontay. Okay, Dontay, like he's someone. He looks like a genuine person who puts out organic content, which I put out organic content. So YouTube, for some reason, connected Dontaylondon with my channel and Doughdash with my channel. Okay, and so for whatever reason, you're watching my video and my video connected with you. Okay. You got to understand it's a process, people. Just keep posting out there. Get your name out there. Get your brand out there. YouTube will monetize you. Okay? You want to get monetized super fast. You got to do these things. Okay? The big picture is YouTube. YouTube. Okay? I want to show you guys how to create content. I want to show you guys the laziest way to make money online, in person and online. Okay? I want to show you guys the easiest way to make money. I want to help you guys out all year with this strategy. Okay? So, if you're watching this video, still W in the chat. Sub up to the channel. Okay? Why? Because what I just told you. We're posting daily videos. I want to help you guys out. And when you sub up to the channel, you get notified immediately when I post my videos. Okay? And again, I got a lot of things planned for this channel. A lot of things planned. We're going to make a lot of content. We're going to cover a lot of things. Okay, but most importantly, we're going to cover finances. Okay, how to make money online. Laziest way to make money online. Yeah, these are the topics, okay, that your best side hustle, the perfect side hustle. These are the things that we're going to cover. All right? And if you cover these things, you're going to get paid very well. You're going to get compensated very well, okay? YouTube eventually wants to put ads on your videos, right? And they will do that based off what type of niche you have, what type of topic that you have. What are you talking about? That is how they're going to pay you, okay? Fast. They're going to pay you fast, right? Especially if you start off making good content, good videos, they're going to pay you. They're going to take care of you, all right? But a lot of people don't know better, so they don't do better. But because right now you know better, I am telling you to do better. Okay, make purposeful content, get 1% better every single day. That is the key. Consistency and getting 1% better. Look at your numbers every day, all day long. Okay, how else you gonna get better? Trial and error, people. Trial and error. You need it. Okay. You need to mess up. You need to make good videos. You need to learn from these mistakes. Just don't make them over and over again. It's in your control to make the best videos possible. It's in your control right now to just post on content, post on YouTube. It don't take nothing to post on YouTube. You can do it from your car. You can do it from your job. You can do it in a gym. You can do it at home. You can do it on vacation. You can do it on a plane. You can do it anywhere. Content creation doesn't stop anywhere. That's what makes it so amazing. That's why I stress it to you guys to make content, make videos, document your life on a day-to-day basis. Don't miss a beat. Don't miss a beat. Do that over and over again. See what you get out of that. See what type of content that you end up making. See what type of lifestyle you end up having. This is the opportunity to take advantage of it while you can. You never know what happens in the future, okay? This is your opportunity. This is your calling. This is the sign that you was looking for, okay? This is it. Make videos, make content. Don't stop. Learn from other people's mistakes, okay? And I'll take it even a step further. Once you start making videos every single day, get involved with with artificial intelligence, AI, all right? Team up with AI. That way you can have an even better experience. That way you can leapfrog a little bit more, because a lot of you watching this video right now are behind, especially the beginners. You're behind in creating content. Artificial intelligence, AI, is going to help you with that, okay? It will help you get a jump start. Just realize what type of platform you're on right now. You're on a platform where all they want you to do is document your life, record your day-to-day life, talk about it, make videos, get creative if you want to. You don't got to at all, okay? They're actually pushing for organic content, videos unedited, okay? Just make videos, make content. You do that, man, you're gonna have, think of your channel and content creation as like the gym. How you gonna get results if you only work out one time a week, one time a month? How you gonna get results if you only post one time a week or one time a month? Well, what type of results you gonna get if you work out every day and you post every day? What type of results are you gonna get then? What's that look like? To me, that looks like a pretty good looking bank account. You feel me? Because YouTube is going to consistently pay you forever, for years. When you keep posting, right? You get paid. You take a break. They keep posting you. They keep posting you. They keep paying you. Okay. So they're going to still broadcast your content out there. Keep posting your content out there, and they're going to still pay you for that. Now, depending on what type of content it is, if people keep looking it up, then yeah, you're gonna get paid more as it gets looked up, and as the year go on, you're gonna get paid more and more and more. That's why content creation is one of the best things you could possibly do with your time, with your spare time. I don't care who you are. I don't care who you are. You will be super excited that you made an investment in YouTube months from now. Months from now, you're gonna be so thankful that you invested videos and making content for YouTube. It's gonna be sickening that you didn't start earlier. I promise you. Okay, but it is what it is. You can't change the past. You can't change the future. You can make videos every day from now on out. Watching this video. Okay, go make a video about what you do every day. Okay, talk about what's going on today. Talk about a trend. That's fine, but do whatever you gotta do to make content. You can stream. You can make videos unedited like I am. You could play games. You can literally sleep. Okay, opportunities is unlimited. Just make videos over and over and over and over again, and look at those videos and get better at them, and understand that what's super important is the thumbnail. It's super important. After the thumbnail, you have the title. After the title, you have the first 5 seconds to 30 seconds, depending on the viewer. That first 5 to 30 seconds is super important for your video. Okay, so let the viewer know why they're watching, why they should watch your video from jump, and then get into it. Okay, so in order, let's go over that. Okay, number one, you have thumbnail. Number two, you have title. I'm telling you, in order. In order. Number one, thumbnail. Two, title. Three, first 5 seconds to the first 30 seconds is super important for your videos. Learn from them. Learn from the titles, learn from the videos, learn from the YouTube studio numbers after you post. Learn from them and get better. Okay? That's what everybody is doing. That's the only way for you to get better. Do these strategies. I promise you. Okay? Listen. I promise you. This is your way out. Financial freedom. This is it. Make content. That's easy peasy. Do it now while you have the opportunity. I believe in you to do what you got to do every single day to get the job done. Make sure you guys check out my other lives, my other videos. I'm putting you guys on game every day for the rest of the year. Catch you on the next one. Peace!